In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect Calendly to Make.com. Start by signing in to Make.com. Once you are on your dashboard, click Create a new scenario. This opens a blank workspace where you can add the app modules that will handle your automation. If you already have other scenarios in your account, make sure you are creating a new one here so the Calendly connection is added in the right place. Inside the scenario builder, click the plus button to add your first module. In the search field, type Calendly. Then choose the Calendly module you want to use. Make.com may show more than one Calendly option depending on the type of trigger or action available, so select the one that matches what you plan to run in this scenario. After you select the module, look for the connection field. This is where Make.com links your scenario to your Calendly account. Click Add or Create a connection to begin setting that up. A sign-in window will open so you can connect your Calendly workspace to Make.com. In that sign-in window, log in to your Calendly account using your account details, then review the access request and authorize Make.com to connect to your Calendly workspace. If you manage more than one Calendly workspace, make sure you choose the correct one before approving access. After authorization is accepted, wait a moment for the window to finish and return you to Make.com. Back in the module settings, confirm that the new connection now appears in the connection field. This is the sign that Make.com has recognized the account correctly. Once you see it listed there, click Save to keep that connection attached to the module. With the connection saved, continue by configuring the module itself. Select the Calendly event or action you want to use based on what this scenario is meant to do. Then fill in the required settings shown in the module. The exact fields can vary depending on the module you selected, so focus on the required items and complete each one before moving on. When the module is configured, test the scenario by clicking Run once. This checks whether the Calendly connection is working correctly and whether the module can access the information it needs. If the scenario needs a moment to process, let it finish, then review the result in the scenario window to confirm the connection responds as expected. Once the test completes successfully, save the scenario, then switch it on to activate the automation. At that point, Make.com will use the Calendly connection you created whenever the scenario runs. Your Calendly account is now connected to Make.com and the scenario is active.